In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.0, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. So at first you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now enter developer options. If you cannot find developer mode under settings, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock this mode and then smoothly click to open. Now you need to scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice auto update system. So if you truly want to apply updates once your device restarts, just tap on this icon, and that's it. As only it is active, your automatic system updates will be done. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.